Today I'm diving deep into Lumen5, an AI-powered video creation tool that's marketed heavily to content marketers, influencers, and businesses looking to create engaging video content quickly. The homepage greets you with a sleek, modern design that clearly aims to impress. You're encouraged to transform blog posts into videos, which is Lumen5's core pitch. Once you sign up, the dashboard is fairly intuitive, giving you several options to start a project, from importing a URL to uploading your own script or media. The workflow is based on templates, and Lumen5 does offer a wide variety of them, categorized by use case, explainer videos, promos, listicles, and more. However, as you start customizing, it becomes clear that while the AI attempts to automate the creation process, it often falls short when it comes to layout accuracy and clip relevance. It pulls stock footage based on keywords, but many times the results feel generic or mismatched, which means you'll spend extra time manually editing. Lumen5's media library is solid, with access to Getty images and stock music, but the quality of voiceover options is limited. There's no natural-sounding AI voice, and you're pushed to either upload your own voice or skip narration altogether. The text-to-video automation is helpful for basic social media content, but not suitable for professional or high-end branded videos without considerable tweaking. The editing panel is drag and drop and fairly easy to navigate. You can add text overlays, transitions, and adjust the length of each scene. But again, the lack of fine control over animation timing and lack of layer-based editing limits advanced use. This isn't Adobe Premiere or After Effects, and it doesn't try to be. It's meant to be fast and simple, which is both a strength and a limitation. Many useful links you can find in the description. One major downside is the pricing. Lumen5 starts with a free tier, but it's very limited. Watermarked videos, low-resolution exports, and minimal customization. To access HD video, brand kits, or better stock footage, you'll need to jump to a premium plan, which quickly adds up. The value might make sense for teams or agencies pumping out high volumes of content, but for individual creators or small businesses, it feels overpriced given the limitations. Customer support is decent, but only available by email or chat, and response times can vary. Their help center includes basic guides and tutorials, but don't expect personalized assistance unless you're on one of the higher tier plans. I also noticed that rendering times can get slow during peak hours, something to keep in mind if you're on a deadline. Overall, Lumen5 is good for quick, visually pleasing videos meant for social media or blog promotion. If your content relies more on aesthetics than complex storytelling or audio, it can be a useful tool. But if you need more control, customization, or polish, you might be better off with other platforms, or hiring a video editor altogether. The platform shines in simplicity, but struggles with flexibility. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and don't forget to leave a comment with your experience using Lumen5 or any questions you might have.